Hello friends, today I have some kind of printed pen. I don't know what it is. It's a gold-plated pen. The color is very beautiful. As usual, I will use nitric acid and water by mixing 1 part nitric acid and 3 parts water to dissolve the unwanted metal, leaving only the gold plating that we want.
Gold is rare, but determination is rarer. You might not see it on your first try, but every failure is part of the map that leads you closer to success. Stay curious, stay careful, keep learning, because with the right knowledge and a persistent spirit, even the most ordinary-looking scrap can surprise you with extraordinary rewards. Gold extraction from e-waste often involves strong acids like aqua regia, which is nitric plus hydrochloric acid, which release dangerous fumes and can cause burns or lung damage. To protect yourself, work in a well-ventilated area, or ideally under a fume hood, to avoid inhaling toxic gases like nitrogen dioxide or chlorine. Wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, A's, acid-resistant gloves, safety goggles or face shield, long-sleeved lab coat or chemical-resistant apron, respirator mask with acid vapor cartridges if ventilation is limited. Have neutralizing agents ready. Keep baking soda or sodium bicarbonate or lime nearby to neutralize spills. Have plenty of clean water on hand for rinsing skin in case of contact. Label and store chemicals safely. Use chemical-proof containers with clear labels. Store acids away from each other to prevent reactions. Never mix chemicals blindly. Always follow proper procedures. Small mistakes can cause violent reactions. Safety comes first, because no amount of gold is worth risking your health. You see that this reaction looks very beautiful, and the gold color looks very good. This set of work has a quantity of 5,000 pieces written on the bag label. First, I will separate the unwanted materials first, and next time I will collect the gold that I get to extract it again. See you again in the next clip. Thank you for watching.